Do you want to forward a message on Twitter X? You can share a chat message on X with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To forward a chat message on your X account. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the messages icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open your direct messages section. Now, tap on the conversation where the message is located. Scroll and find the message you want to forward. Press and hold the message for a few seconds. A menu with different options will appear on your screen. Now, tap on the forward option. Your chat list will open automatically. Select the person or conversation where you want to forward the message. Once selected, tap on the forward button. The message will instantly be forwarded to that conversation. The other person will now be able to see the forwarded message.